key changes, we've touched on these already, very much patient focused now. You know, why is it that we're doing this? The welfare of the patients is the key thing now here. Everything is risk-based. And in theory, this is good for labs because it gives you a bit of opportunity to sort of think about things, you know, not just doing things like Stephen says, it's a box-ticking exercise. It isn't. But, you know, really you justifying what you're doing and why you're doing it. And that is one of the key things with the new standard. It does give a lot of flexibility for labs to, you know, justify different approaches. A couple of useful documents there, other ISO documents related to risk. And then the other thing, of course, is the incorporation of 22870 into the ISO standard. So that point of care standard is going to be withdrawn. Anyone who wants point of care accreditation will just do ISO 15189 now, which hopefully it will encourage more to go for it. So as I say there, about 700 laboratories to get through. We've got 170 assessors. They've all had to do some training in the standard. They've all had to do a test to make sure that they're ready. You might laugh, Jane, at that. So yeah, that was all assessors had to go through this. So whatever you're feeling when you have your assessments, we've had to do it as well. We've all had to pass the test. Some of us didn't pass it the first time, but we got there in the end with it. And we got 36 months to complete all of this. The ultimate deadline there, that's the one to take note of, 6th of December 2025. That's when the 2012 version will be withdrawn completely, along with ISO 22870. Anyone who's not accredited at that point, well, you won't be until you get the 2022. So that's the date that, well, it scares us as much as it might scare labs.